Several people saw the Sonic boat sitting in the background of some of our videos and asked more details. Currently this boat is under contract. It's supposed to be heading to Louisiana, but figured we would do a quick little documentation of this boat. Really nice looking 32 center console, built by Sonic. This boat was commissioned in 2016 to be built for a diver that was purchasing it in the islands. At that time, Sonic was changing ownership. There was a little discrepancy of a couple things, so the boat hull never got completed. Well, the hull got completed, the boat never got completed. So it sat at Sonic until last year when we commissioned them to finish the boat, which they did, hanging 2 Mercury 300 Verados on it, Mirage stainless steel props. We changed up the rear seating area a little bit, giving it a backrest, and actually a pretty cool feature. A sink and an oversized cooler area hidden away under the seats. Lots of other storage. We added a few speakers, still could use some more. We upgraded the Simrad system on it with a new Fusion radio. This is actually a cabin boat. Up in the front there's a small V-berth cabin. This boat has dual tanks, 1 reserve and 1 standard. The customer ordered that specially also. And he also put 2 onboard water capacity tanks that were for washing down his gear, because he was going to be obviously in salt water. So he added those tanks for wash down, which was pretty neat. I think you could actually use them for washing the boat down, from what I'm told. We haven't used them. They're up in the front. It does have a really nice fold out bimini top. We put this boat in the water and used it. It does have trim tabs. And of course, that's for your Simrad, your depth finder. This one also has underwater lights. We added those at the factory. We did not add them, the factory did. But pretty neat to see a Sonic 32. Sonic's been kind of up and down with their builds. They were a performance boat builder. They also did build some pleasure boats such as this, but mainly they were performance boats. They've transitioned into a lot of center consoles, just like most manufacturers have. And we support the current owner, Tony. He's a great guy. He's a racer, and we talk and chat with him quite often. We actually have a 32, might end up being called a 34 when it's finished because of the way the design has been changed on the back of the boat, but we have a 32 outboard cat being built currently at the factory. That should debut sometime this year if all goes well. We'll see how that plays out. Everything's a little unusual right now. Another feature here, I forgot to mention, you flip up the seat right here and the head is in there. It actually has a head and a shower area inside that point right there. Anyway, thank you for watching. We wanted to shoot a quick video of this boat, just showing how nice it was, because a lot of people hadn't seen it in person, even though we did take it out a little bit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. 804-271-0030. You can see the websites davis4x4.com or davisautosales.com, whichever site's easier for you to navigate. Davis4x4.com updates every day, 3 times a day with new inventory. As long as it keeps coming in, we'll keep posting it. And this is one of Davis Watersports in-stock inventory items currently. Getting a little bit low on boats. We've got a Baja in stock. We've got a Triton bass boat in stock. We've got a couple other pending deals on some of the boats in stock. And then we also have a little small runabout lake style pontoon boat. All of them are on the website. And we will be doing more business with Sonic. And looks like we'll be doing some business with Stateman in the near future too, as we're getting caught up and getting some inventory moved around. So keep an eye out, stay in touch with us. If you need anything truck wise, we got you covered as well. Whole parking lot full. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe. Thank you very much.